Hi, in this video, we're going to do a tutorial on adding and subtracting negative numbers, and we're going to take it really slow. So first I'm going to do some examples. And so if you're new to mathematics, hopefully this video can help you. All right, so our first example is 2 minus 6, okay? So 2 minus 6 is going to be negative 4, okay? Because it's basically the same as 2 plus negative 6. It's the same thing. You can always put a plus and make it negative. So the 6 is bigger than the 2 and it's negative, so it's going to give you negative 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what if I did 6 minus 2? What would that be in this case?
Just 4.
Just 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a whole bunch now, and I want you to try them, okay? So we're going to do negative 8 plus 5, 6 minus 1, negative 12 plus 20, 8 minus 10, 6 minus 0, 3 minus 5. Ah! What am I doing? I don't even know math. Okay. Go ahead. What would that be, you think?
It
Negative what?
Negative 3.
Yes! Good. Negative 3. Good.
This would be 5.
5.
Right.
Yep.
And then
Bigger numbers here.
yeah. It would be negative no, it will be 8.
8.
Just 8. No negative.
Very good. I was worried I thought you were going to get that one wrong.
No.
No, good. I was like, that's the hardest one there. Okay, keep going, sorry.
Okay. And then this will be negative 2.
Negative 2. Good.
0.
No, that was me being wrong. It's
Why?
not 0. No, that was me being completely... I was wrong. 6 minus 0 is just... The 0 goes away, so it's just...
Yeah, 6.
6, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking. I was thinking of something else when I wrote. That's me.
And then this will be negative 2.
Very good. All right, you want to try a new set? One more
Yeah.
set? Just for practice, just in case anyone out there on the internet in the world is trying to learn also, right? So,
Okay.
all right, I'll try to think harder here. So let's do 5 minus 7, 0 minus 4, negative 8 plus 1, negative 3 minus 6. Ooh, we haven't done this. They're both negative, right? So that's going to be one that, if you don't know, it's okay. Don't get nervous. It'll be all right. Negative 5 plus 2. And then let's do 4 minus 7. All right, try these.
Okay.
Negative 2, good. Good work.
Yeah.
What do you...
4,
Uh-huh.
but it would be negative.
Correct. Because the 0 goes away,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. Very good. Very good. Yes, you got it. Good. No, that's wrong.
Wrong?
That's wrong.
Why?
That's wrong. So basically you have negative 3 minus 6. So one
So
way
it will be,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
negative.
Negative. And what do you think the answer is going to be? Negative what?
3.
No.
No, why?
No. So the way I think about it is when you see negative 3 minus 6,
Yeah.
it's really negative 3 plus negative 6. So you're basically adding two negative numbers. So what would that be?
right.
What's 6 plus 3?
9.
9, and the answer is negative.
9?
Negative 9.
Oh, wow.
Does that make sense now?
So if it's, negative, the both of it.
Just add them up and it's negative.
Oh. So
Yeah.
when you add it up, but in here, it will be negative.
Yes. So if it was like, let's do another one here. So I'll
Why
add,
is that though? Why it's...
because this is the same as this. The properties of addition and subtraction say that this is this. These are equal. This is shorthand for this, actually. right? I think this is the better way to write it, but this is easier to write, so people write it like this. Because people subtract. But it's all subtraction is really addition, right? Subtraction is made up. So it comes from addition. So if it was like -7 minus 4, it'd be -11, because 7 plus 4 is 11.
So if it's always, like this, it will be, subtract.
Yeah, it's always minus. It's always
Like
a
if
minus.
it's subtract 2 and then 3 here, then it will be -5.
Correct.
Oh, it's always like that?
Always like that.
Ooh.
Very good, very good.
Okay.
So here, I'm going to fill one more in here. All right, so finish these 3. Good work. I'm impressed. Go ahead. Stop talking. No.
Why?
No.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's all right.
No,
It's
no.
all right.
No.
It's all right.
No, it's subtract.
So it's -3. Good,
Yeah.
good.
Got confused over there.
There's a reason we're doing this, because in the next video we're doing something
Yeah.
harder. I'm going to show you. We're going to look at a very important function in calculus. But go ahead.
Okay.
Good work. Good work.
I forgot about here. So-
Which one? Oh, the -5?
Yeah, I mix up because, I was thinking about this.
Right.
So my brain is,
Right.
functioning, right?
Right, exactly, because you're working on, right, let's since we're here, let's do a couple more. What if we have 3 numbers? Right? What if we have 3 numbers? So see,
You
we
have to teach me first.
I have to teach you first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
So, it's
Oh, that's
in my
true.
brain.
6 plus 2 minus 5. 3 minus 6 plus 7. 2 minus 3 minus 6. -1 minus 2 minus 3. So let's do these. So you want to work left to right, okay? Left to right. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you have 8 minus 5. And then 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. You can do it all at once if you want in your head, okay? You can also combine these. You can say 2 minus 5 is -3. -3 plus 6 is 3. But you have to be careful, okay? Be careful. So maybe just work left to right. 3 minus 6 is -3. We have the plus 7. -3 plus 7 is 4.
Okay.
Okay. 2 minus 3 is -1. Notice how I just write it again. See how I just do these 2 and write it again? Look.
Yeah.
Write it again. Write it again. Write it again. See these I just did 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 minus 6 is -3. 2 minus, okay. Oh, and then this is -7. -1 minus 2 is -3. -3 minus 3 is -6.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do. Let's try those. Keep it simple.
Okay.
So first you do the first 2 numbers. So you do 8 plus 1, which is 9. And then what do you write? You write the -4. And then equals. Good. And then 9 minus 4 is. That's it. You got it. You got it. You're doing mathematics.
Yeah.
So which ones do you do first? Don't look at me. You can do it. 2. Good. Plus 1 is 3. Such a sweat. You mess up on the 2 plus 1.
Crazy.
Oh, I distracted you. We'll slow down. Is it 5 or is it really 5? Remember, when they're both negative, it's going to be -1 minus 4 is.
No, I think it's, it's all odd.
That's right. So what would the final answer be? Can you just write the final? You can skip. What's the answer then at the end? If you just add them all up.
All that.
Yeah, all add, so
Yeah.
it'd be what?
7.
Uh-huh. And is it positive or is it negative?
It's negative.
There you
7.
go, like a pro. Right, because they're all negative, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Good work. I'm impressed. You did good. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share. Check out my channels, Internet Sorcerer, Math Sorcerer Español as well. Check out my math courses and math books. Links in the description. Check out my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Stay strong.